Okay, hi everyone. So previously I showed you the second method you can implement this solution using Java. So today I'll be sharing with you the third method, and I would say it's also a simplified version on how you can actually implement the solution in Java. So I would say that out of the three, this one is the most efficient. So let's take a look on how I implement it. So now we are at the Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, I've created an array list. So this is the original array list with all the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the resulting array that after I implement function to switch all the values around, I'll actually store inside this result array list. Okay, so the rotation is 2. So this is I will show you the array before the left rotation. And after implementing the function, this will be stored inside the result array list, and then it will be printed out over here at the bottom. Okay, so let's take a look on how I actually implement it. So first, I put the integer size equal to a.size. Okay, so the size is set to 5 because there are 5 elements. There are 5 elements in the array A. Okay, so you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. So this integer output array. So I create a new array list. So this is a new array list. Next, I need to initialize this output array to 5 elements of zeros, because later on I will have to change the value. So I have to initialize this array first. Means I need to give some values inside. Less than size. So now the output array is empty. So as long as it's empty and it's less than the size, which is 5, it will continue to run this while loop. So output array dot add. So this is to initialize output array with zeros. Okay, so once we are done, let's create a for loop. So 0 I less than a dot size I plus plus. So output array dot set I dot a dot get I plus d with a modulus operator a dot size. Then put a semicolon. Then you return the output array. Okay, let me explain what does this line mean first. So I plus d modulus a dot size. So what this means is that now I is actually 0 plus 2 with a modulus operator and a dot size, which is 5. Okay, so this also means that 2 is divided by 5. The program will actually return the remainder of the division. So in this case, equals to 2. Okay, so what this means is that now output array. So I is equals to 0. A dot get index 2. So which in this case, the value is 3. Okay, so the value 3 will actually be set in the index 0. Okay, So if you continue to run for 5 times, all the values will fall into their correct index. Okay, so I also need to put a semicolon. So let's run it. So as you can see here, the left rotation is 2. So the rate before left rotation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after left rotation is 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so it works. So now you copy this whole code. So now we are back into HackerRank. So let's take a look of here. So this is the function. So let's paste the code here, and then let's run it. Okay, so it passed all the test cases. So let's take a look whether you will pass all the test cases when we submit the code. Great, and we are done. So thank you for today's session. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.